One last thing, in the middle of this design you'll see an image of a car. So we can actually do things with on a photorealistic effect. So I'm actually going to go through here. I'm going to open this up in Photoshop. And just to show you what I've done here, basically it's a standard 4-color image. I'm going to go to the ColorLogic plugin. So we'll load up the ColorLogic separation plugin. This is a multilingual plugin, so depending on what version of computer system you're using, I'm using an English version of Photoshop, so use the English script. It's going to go through, calculate the metallic effect for you to put into the different tonal areas within inside the image. So it's actually generated this separation, 5th separation. I'm going to go through, make a mask. Unfortunately, we cannot do that bit for you. And just delete the unwanted area that you don't want to be metallic. So now I've just got the car and the alloy wheels in metallic. Now the next thing that I normally do on an image like this, I'll just go to my curves and just look for the main peak of the shadow data and just bring your slider across. And that just makes your image a little bit more metallic effect going into it. Okay, so from there we can do different things. So I'm going to make a selection of a pattern that I've done. I'm just going to remove the wheel areas. I'm going to hide my selection. So what I've done is I've actually created sort of like a honeycomb pattern. And this is just purely something that I like doing, playing around, adding some different effects into your car. So we can actually pull a little bit more on the front. Okay, so it's really about just trying to get some contrast in there. So this is basically called dimensional effect, but inside Photoshop, and I've put a blend through it, so it's actually going from knocking the effect out down to sort of like a 50% tints. And that way you're going to have this real contrasting area. And the only way to really be able to see what this is going to look like is to get a sample from us, or look at it in the visualization tool. So I'm just going to now save that as metallic, and save that as a TIFF with a spot color on. And actually I don't need my alpha channels in here. Let me get rid of those so I don't confuse the system. Save as metallic.